To Samburu now, and members of the Samburu community living in Isiolo have cried foul over an operation by security officers that has rendered 6 children and over 200 heads of livestock missing. The residents who live along the Ngarendare Valley in Oldonyiro ward of Isiolo County claim that a contingent of armed security officers descended on them early yesterday morning and opened fire randomly, a move that has now led to a mass exodus from the village as locals fear for their lives.
This is Ngarendare Valley in Isiolo County. Residents are still in shock after they were woken up by the sound of gunshots at dawn. Members of the Samburu community are now crying foul over an operation by security officers that has rendered 6 children and over 200 heads of livestock missing. Residents claim that a contingent of armed security officers descended on them at 6 a.m. and opened fire randomly, a move that has now led to a mass exodus from the village as locals ran for their lives.
Hapa tunasikitika kwa sababu ya kile kilifanyika kwa watu wa jamii yetu wanaishi katika sehemu hii. Walifamiwa na maaskari wa serikali ya Kenya. Wamepigwa asubuhi wakiwa katika maboma yao wakijitayarisha kufanya shughuli zao za kawaida za kujimudu kwa maisha. Boma zimefamiwa. Tukiongea hivi sasa, ng'ombe ya jamii yetu haipatikani, ng'ombe karibu 200 ya familia ya Lekurana na familia ya Lekango. Vile vile kuna watoto 6 ambao hawajulikani walipo mpaka sasa.
A tour around a few manyatas made it clear the magnitude of the scare, as only a few women could be seen and children were loitering in the manyatas with no adults to take care of them. Speaking at Ngarendare when they visited the victims, various Samburu leaders condemned the move by police officers to scare away innocent civilians with live bullets.
Potea, mali imepotea, kuna ng'ombe hatuna, mbuzi pia hatuna, kina mama hatujui mahali wako, na hata tuone serikali kuja kusaidia kuwatafuta. So ni kitu ambaye sisi tunatumu sana, maybe kitu imepangwa na politician ambaye tunajua, na maybe na watu wengine ambaye wako nyuma hii.
Isiolo County Commissioner George Natembea said that the operation was a joint initiative between Laikipia and Isiolo counties to flush out bandits in the area after the recent death of 3 people in the clashes pitting Samburu and Dorobo communities.
Tukijaribu kuiba mifugo na watu 3 wakakufa. Na tukapata intelligence kwamba wale watu ambao wanafanya hizi vitu wamejificha karibu hii mto wa Ngarendare, kuna mlima hapo. Tumejenga manyata hapo. So tukakaa kama security team ya Isiolo na Laikipia. Tukakubaliana tufanye joint operation ili tutafute wale watu ambao waliua hawa watu. Tutafute zile bunduki ambazo zilitumiwa na pia wale mifugo ambao wamefichwa huko.
The county chief reiterated that police had intelligence report regarding a hideout where a group of bandits who killed 3 people and seriously injured 1 in Leparua grazing area at the Isiolo-Laikipia border were hiding and went for their onslaught. But the operation was botched after the bandits ran into the manyatas, forcing the police officers to retreat in order to avoid hurting innocent civilians. Leaders are now asking the police to aid in the search for the missing persons, adding that it wasn't clear if the victims are alive or dead after running into the vast thicket. Julian Kamau, KTN News.